Hi sewing friends, it's Alice Murray with Murr-Made Designs. Welcome to my channel where I am attempting 365 days of sewing makes that I am going to show you, that I am going to make. Yeah. Today is day 21. We made it 3 weeks. Thank you for coming along on this journey. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, share this video with others. I really, truly appreciate it. Thank you so much. And today I want to show you Kwik Sew 3870. And it's just a simple woven top. The pattern comes in 2 styles, one with a boat neck and 3/4 length sleeves, and one with a slit and short sleeves. And I've made both, but today I'm going to show you the long sleeved version. Here it is. I made this pattern out of a polyester crepe that on one side of the material it was shiny and the other it was matte. So I kind of mixed it up. Put on a hemband and sleeve bands using the shiny side. Now, as per usual, this didn't go exactly as planned. And when I first finished it, pretty much all I could think of was beam me up, Scotty. The boat neck on it was way too wide. It was really long with the slits in. It had no darts or anything. And so I went to work fixing it. And I had a secret weapon when I was fixing it. Come on out, secret weapon. I have gotten, well, thanks to my husband, who believes you need to have the right tools for the job, I have gotten this dress form, which I have made to be my size. And this makes all the difference when fitting clothes. It's really hard to figure out how to make something fit better in the back. And same with the neckline. Like, it was hard messing around with it. So putting the garment on inside out on a dress form makes it super easy. I also use the dress form now to put the pattern pieces on before I sew, to hopefully get things closer to the right size before I start. But you can see what I did here is I just kind of pleated the neckline and put a button on. It was way too wide and I couldn't figure out how to make it smaller without sewing up the shoulders, which I think would have pulled funny. I took it up, put on this band, put darts in the back, and now I love it. I think it fits just fine now. So that is Kwik Sew 3870. I'd say it's kind of a winner. The pattern went together easy, just needed a bit of fitting to fit on me, which is the beauty of sewing. You can make your clothes fit you. Today, my grateful thread is something kind of hard for me to talk about. About a week ago, we had a terrible tragedy here on the farm and lost our broodmare to colic, which it was very hard and devastating and heartbreaking. But I am very, very grateful for veterinarians. The veterinarian that came was so kind, so efficient, so compassionate, so smart. It really made a difficult situation much easier. And so I am very grateful for veterinarians and people that are in that helping profession. And just want to know if you have any stories about a veterinarian that has really helped you through a difficult situation with a family pet, or they feel like family members, don't they? So that is definitely what I'm grateful for today. And I hope that you are sewing, because sewing is so much fun. Till next time.